In the previous video, I showed you how to use branches in Git, but in this video, I'll show you how to merge them. Okay, there are two common scenarios when you want to merge a branch into another branch: two-way merge or fast-forward merge and three-way merge. Branches in two-way merge will look like this. Imagine you have two branches, A and B, and you want to merge branch B into branch A. But you don't have any new changes in branch A that are not in branch B. So after merging, your branches will look like this. And the last commit in branch A will be the same as the last commit in branch B. This is so-called a two-way merge or a fast-forward merge. Because instead of creating a new commit to bring the changes from branch B into branch A, Git just update the last commit in branch A to be the same as the last commit in branch B. So it's not a new commit. I'll show that to you in action in just a bit, but what if you have new changes in branch A and you want to merge branch B into it? Well, before merging, your branches will look like this in a three-way merge scenario. As you see, in this case, Git can't update the last commit in branch A to be the same as the last commit in branch B, because that way we'll lose the new changes in branch A. So instead, Git will create a new commit to bring the changes from branch B into branch A, and Git will call the new commit a merge commit. Okay, let's get started. Before we start, there are two things that you need to know. First, to make this video shorter and more fun, I'll skip the committing part and adding the changes to the files. You can check out previous videos for those kinds of things, because I'm lazy and I already created a script to do those things for me. Or in a better point of view, I'm doing it for you guys because I don't want to waste your time. And the second thing is I'm using an alias for the log command. I'll put that on the screen or in the description, because when you use the graph option with the git log command after merging the branches, it will look a bit different and nicer. So as I said, I'm too lazy to type that each time, so I've made an alias for that, and soon I'll make a video about aliases in Git, so make sure you're subscribed. Okay, first let's do a two-way merge. So git lol, this is the alias I said earlier, and as you can see, we have two commits in branch A, initial commit and change 1, and two commits in branch B, change 2 and change 3. So if we want to merge branch B into branch A, we can do this: git switch A to switch to branch A, and then we can merge branch B into branch A. So git merge B. Okay, now if I check the log again, so git lol, this is an alias for the log command. I'm not gonna say it again, I promise. And here, if you look at the head, it's pointing to both branches. How cool is that? And it's not as strange at all, because they're both the same commit. There was nothing new in branch A. So we just updated to have the changes from branch B, not by creating a new commit, only by moving the head. And because we're done with branch B, we can delete it. So git branch -db and git -no pager branch, and as you can see, branch B is gone. Okay, now let's do a three-way merge. So git lol, not gonna say that this is an alias for the log command, and as you see, we have created the initial commit and change 1 in branch A and change 2 and 3 in branch B. But before we merge branch B into branch A, we have created a new commit in branch A called change 4. So let's merge branch B into branch A. Git merge B. Okay, because it's a three-way merge, Git will create a new commit to bring the changes from branch B into branch A. So it's asking me to write a message for the merge commit, and I think the message is fine. So I'll save and close VS Code, and as you can see, it's merged. And if I check the log, so git lol, definitely not gonna say that this is an alias for the log command, and I'm gonna make another video about aliases, so make sure you're subscribed. And as you can see, the head is pointing to the new commit, and if you compare these weird lines, you can see exactly what happened. Unlike the fast forward merge, that head was pointing to the same commit as the last commit in branch B, here head is pointing to a new commit, which is the merge commit. Okay, we're done with the branch B, so git branch-db to delete branch B and git lol. Now everyone can see what happened here by looking at the log. Okay, but what if we have the opportunity for a fast forward merge, but we don't want it? Well, we can force Git to generate a merge commit even if the merge is resolved as a fast forward. Look, git lol, okay, head is pointing to branch A, but branch B is 2 commits ahead of branch A. So let's merge them. Git merge B, if I hit enter, Git will do a fast forward merge. But with --no fast forward, we tell Git to do a 3-way merge. But remember that by default, Git will do a fast forward merge if it can. So save, close, and git lol. Okay, there's a new merge commit here. Okay, another important thing that could happen is merging conflicts. And that'll happen if we want to merge branches that have changed in the same files in the same lines. Look, cat hello.txt, this is the hello file we have in branch A, and git switch B and cat hello.txt again, and this is the hello file we have in branch B. As you can see, I've changed the same line in both branches. So now what will happen if I merge branch B into branch A? Let's see. Git switch A and git merge B. This is so-called a merge conflict. It seems very bad and hard to fix at first, but it's not. It's actually fairly easy to fix. Now if I check the status, git status, it's saying that we have a merge conflict that we need to fix. And if I open the file with VS Code, so code hello.txt, wow, as you can see, Git has modified the file. So now it seems like it has both the changes from branch A and branch B. Thing is, I choose to keep the changes I want by editing the file. And as you can see, VS Code is also showing me some options to fix the merge, but because it's not a VS Code tutorial, I'll just do it manually. So I want change 2 to SA, so I remove these lines. Save. Now git add hello.txt and git commit -m change 2. Now everything is fine. Look, cat hello.txt and git status and git lol. See, that's how you can fix a merge conflict. Another thing you could do was to abort the merge. Look, so somehow I traveled back in time, so now we still have the conflict. So to abort the merge, type git -abort. With that, Git will abort the merge and make everything back to normal, or we can reset the merge. So git reset --merge. This option will work just like the git merge -abort, but if somehow that didn't work, probably git reset --merge will work. Just a good thing to know. Okay, what if we want to bring the changes from the last commit in a branch or any commit in any branch into the current branch, but we don't want to merge them? In fact, we don't want those commits in our history. Maybe they're not important enough, maybe the author of those commits didn't follow the rules. So for any reason, we want to bring the changes from a specific commit into our branch, but not as a commit. So we can commit them in our own way. So blah blah blah, let me just show you how to squash commits. So git switch A and cat hello.txt. So we have only changed 1 here in branch A, but we want to bring also change 2 and 3 into branch A. And git lol -all. Here we have the opportunity to do a fast forward merge, but we don't want to merge, so this one here is the last commit in branch B and has the latest changes, which are change 2 and 3. So let's bring the changes from this commit. So git merge -squash, this is change 3. Now if I check the log, so git lol, okay, nothing new here. But if I check the status, so git status, as you can see, the file has been modified in the staging area. So it's ready to be committed. And if I type git commit -v, we can see the changes happen in the file. And as you can see, not change 2 and 3 are here in branch A, but without bringing any of the commits from branch B. We've brought only the changes from the last commit in branch B, and they're staged and ready to be committed. And as you see, Git automatically put a commit message for us here. And it's so cool and clear enough to explain what happened. So I'm not gonna change it, so save, close, and git lol, and here it is our squash commit. Okay, after we're done with a branch, we can delete it. And it's good to delete branches immediately after we're done with them. Merged, squashed, whatever, if they have no use anymore. But each team has different rules about branches, so it's up to the team. So a good way to see which branches are not merged to the current branch is to use the command git branch --no -merged. And as you see, we didn't merge branch B into branch A, so it's here. Or git branch --merged. By default, each branch is merged with itself because they're both pointing to the same commits. Okay, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you in the next one.